Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Pentel white erasers on the market. The Pentel Hi-Polymer Block Eraser Small White, Pack of 4. Whether you're an artist, student, or just someone who appreciates a clean erase, this eraser promises to deliver a top-notch performance every time. Right from the start, the Pentel Hi-Polymer Block Eraser stands out because it is latex-free, which means it's a great choice for those with latex allergies or sensitivities. Its high-quality polymer formulation allows it to remove pencil lead cleanly and effortlessly with very little pressure. This feature not only makes erasing easier but also helps protect your paper from tears or smudges, a problem many people face with lower-quality erasers. The design of this eraser is thoughtful. The block style comes in a compact small size, making it perfect for detailed work like getting into little corners or erasing fine lines. Yet, it's also efficient enough to cover larger areas quickly when needed. What's more, each eraser is housed in a protective sleeve, keeping both your hands and the eraser clean during use. This sleeve also helps the eraser maintain its shape and softness over time. Durability is a key factor, and this eraser does not disappoint. Unlike some erasers that harden, crack, or become crumbly with age, the Pentel Hi-Polymer eraser remains soft and ready to use whenever you need it. This longevity ensures you get great value from each eraser in the pack. Speaking of value, this set includes 4 erasers, giving you plenty of supply for everyday use, whether at school, the office, or in your art studio. The dimensions are also ideal for portability, measuring roughly 0.69 inches by 1.69 inches by 0.44 inches. You can easily slip one into your pencil case, pocket, or desk drawer without taking up too much space. If you work with graphite pencils or even colored pencils, the Pentel Hi-Polymer Block Eraser is a reliable tool to keep close. It leaves no ghosting behind, which means once you erase, there is no faint trace left on your paper, a crucial aspect for professional work or precise sketches. In summary, the Pentel Hi-Polymer Block Eraser Small White Pack of 4 combines superior erasing performance with a smart, practical design. Its softness, clean erase, no smudge formula, and durable build make it a must-have for anyone serious about their pencil work. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to upgrade your eraser game, this Pentel Hi-Polymer pack is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.